Hello, and welcome to the Action Jackson Tag Scholars Workshop curriculum meeting. I am Lori Jackson, the talented and gifted educator here at Asa G. Hilliard Elementary School. Today, we're going to talk about all things tag. The Action Jackson Tag Scholars Workshop curriculum presentation for the 2020-21 school year. I am excited to teach your children because learning is contagious. Tag eligibility and testing. The Talented and Gifted program in Fulton County Schools provides enriching learning experiences for the intellectually advanced and exceptionally creative student. We test identified students in grades K through 5th grade twice a year. Eligibility reports. Parents, please make sure that you have signed all copies of your child's eligibility report and that we have copies here at school and you have copies at home. Please keep these copies in an accessible place. The results are valid for all of Georgia. There's no need for renewal or continuation of testing of eligibility once your child is identified for gifted. In Fulton County Schools, we do a total of 4 tests to identify students for gifted. The first being the mental ability test. We use the COGAT, which is a standardized nationally normed test in which students must score in the 96th percentile or higher in any one of 3 tested areas: verbal, quantitative, and nonverbal. The Nagliera nonverbal test is also given for students who have previously taken the COGAT. Students must score in the 96th percentile or higher. The next test is the achievement. In grades K through 2, students are given the Stanford 10 nationally normed test in which they must score in the 90th percentile or higher in areas of reading or math. In grades 3 through 5, the Stanford 10 test is also given, and students must score in the 90th percentile in total reading and math or total composite. Creativity. The Torrance test of creative thinking is a standardized nationally normed test of creativity. Students must score in the 90th percentile or higher qualifying score. Product assessments given in regular classrooms scored by a product scoring team here at our school. 90th percentile is also required or higher for a qualifying score. Motivation. The GRS, or Gifted Motivation Rating Scale, is assessed by teachers who rate students. The highest score is taken, and 90th percentile or higher is required for a qualifying score in this area. Stay motivated because you are essential. TAG. What is TAG? I get that question a lot. TAG is a program that addresses both academic goals and social emotional goals. TAG helps students understand their abilities and their potential for contributions to the society. TAG fosters both independent learning as well as interaction and cooperation with students of both similar and different abilities. TAG provides opportunities for gifted students to discover and explore new interests and aptitudes. I believe in you, and I believe in TAG. The TAG program is a resource pull-out program. Students meet with me, the gifted teacher, 1 day a week for the entire school day. Students have lunch and specials with their regularly scheduled classes. The TAG curriculum. We study 3 units per year, and we cover higher order critical thinking skills, creative thinking and problem solving skills, advanced research skills. And this is embedded in all of our units of study. We also use advanced technology, communication skills, and visible thinking routines will be a part of each unit of study. TAG progress skills checklists are graded assignments, and they will be sent home at the end of each unit. So look for those when we complete the unit, parents. Expectations of an Action Jackson TAG Scholar. Students should maintain a B+ average in all of their classes, complete all TAG work assignments in a timely manner, have exemplary conduct, complete self-reflections weekly, sign and return TAG tallies. That's our weekly progress updates. In your spare time, students should read books for pleasure and actively use our Action Jackson TAG Scholars website. Think outside the box, be a studious collaborator, and demonstrate a love for learning. TAG units of study for this school year. K through 2, you will be doing Survival All-Stars, What's the Matter in the Kitchen, and Our Universe. Third graders, Freedom, Consumer Scientists, and Our Current Energy Crisis. Worthy topics, 4th grade, American Heroes, Consumer Scientists, and Space. 5th grade, Mini Medical, looking out for those doctors, future scientists, and amusement park tycoons. TAG in action. We have an aeroponic garden in our classroom that we will be growing lots of healthy fruits and vegetables. We will do the STEAM engineering design processes and do various experiments in our studies of science and social studies. Supplies or donations needed and are welcomed. Student masks, sanitized wipes, hand soap and sanitizer, Glade plug-in air fresheners. All students may also bring healthy, non-GMO snacks to eat, consumable water-filled bottles, and masks are required. TAG Scholars, to keep all of your work and unit work handy, you should try to get 3 2-pocket solid colored folders, 1 for each unit of study, and 1 marble composition notebook to keep your notes handy dandy. Stay healthy, helpful, calm, wear your mask. Universal Remote Learning in TAG. Make sure you log on to Learning in TAG. Our schedules are posted on our website, and make sure that you adhere to the virtual meeting norms. TAG website explorations. Of course, our go-to website for TAG is the Action Jackson Tag Scholars.weebly.com. This will be your go-to one-stop shop for all things TAG and other enriching opportunities. Launchpad and ClassLink is also a go-to site for achieving your connection to our applications that we do. Seesaw, Nearpod, Microsoft Teams, any type of Microsoft products. This is your go-to. Flipgrid, that's where you can get that at ClassLink. So be sure to know your student ID number and your birthday login. Shepherd Software is another website. It is a free website that specializes in reading, mathematics, science, and social studies. And it has some enriching opportunities for all TAG scholars. Freerice.com is also a website in which students can do their brush up on vocabulary and spelling. And you can also be a service to others, because every time you get a word correct on freerice.com, you are donating rice to someone around the world. TAG enrichment opportunities. Georgia State University, Saturday School for Scholars and Leaders, Georgia Tech, Imagination Computer Camp, and Amario's Art Academy for the Gifted and Talented are just a few enrichment opportunities outside of the school program that you can avail yourself to for your TAG students and children. Thank you so much for joining me today for the Action Jackson TAG Scholars Workshop, where students have a voice, and for this presentation. If you have any additional questions, the best way to contact me is through the Fulton County Schools email at jacksonl3@fultonschools.org. Thanks so much. Have a great day.